Got my new refrigerator today. It's a little bit darker than my other stainless steel appliances, but it's really not noticeable. The stove's going to be replaced next week. So I did lose some shelf space over here, and some of the shelves are a bit narrow, but everything fit. And then I lost my deli drawer, but I got this clip-on one, and it holds everything I need to do it. So everything fits nicely here. I got my water dispenser back. Pretty fancy control there. I lost one of my side shelves, and some of these shelves are a bit narrow, but again, it made everything work. Nice pull-out drawer with lots of room down there. I have the bags of ice there just until it gets up to temperature. Got my new stove coming next week.